Tioga. It's me, Thomas.
You hear it's coming to any minute now.
We'll have to leave the village. Perhaps together we can find your friends.
That suits me all right, but how are we going to get out of here?
Most of the warriors are searching the forest for the hawk and the white-skinned people. While they are gone, we can escape.
Sure hopes it works.
We'd better split up. We'll meet at the beach. Well, we're safe for the moment.
I surely hope so.
What of Dr. Monroe?
We've got to search for him and Beth. They're in the forest. If they're still alive, we've got to save them.
Father, are you hurt?
It's nothing much. I fell and...
Do you remember me, Dr. Monroe?
Why, it's
Mo-kuyi.
Yes. Lincoln Rand's friend. We were together on that expedition to Yucatan in 13.
Cayuga, we have as guest one of your father's dearest friends.
You are Lincoln Rand's son?
Yes.
Well, then it's most fitting that you should save us. Tell me, your father and mother.
The ship was wrecked on a reef. We alone survived.
Now listen, man. I know it's dangerous going to shore, but now it's our only way to find the treasure. You keep a sharp watch out while we're gone.
Mister, you sure is a strong man.
You'd be strong, too, if you lived in the forest for a while.
Yes, sir, I guess I would.
The others are inside.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You saved my life in the village.
Many times you risked your life for me, too.
Well, George, we're certainly glad to see that you're safe. Dr. Monroe, this is Caius. He made himself an outcast from the village just to save me.
You got anything you want me to do?
Not right now.
Well, you don't mind if I kind of unrelax, do you?
No, go right ahead.
Thank you.
What's the matter, George? That's only Achy, our pet. He's perfectly tame.
Yeah, sir. I'm tame, too. But I like to eat meat sometime.
I wish I knew what had become of Kendall and the professor. See if I can find out.
I'd go with you, but I'm afraid I wouldn't get very far.
Let me go along.
The forest is only safe for those who understand it.
I'm afraid you take me for a tenderfoot, Mr. Cayuga, but I'm perfectly able to look after myself.
But a girl in the forest...
Besides, Alan and Bill are my friends, and I insist on searching for them whether you like it or not.
As you wish.
The girl should not accompany you.
I know, but it's better that she learn her lesson while I am with her. Are you ready?
Of course.
Well, which way would you go?
I'd follow that road.
You would? Then you'd make a nice meal for him.
Oh, I didn't see him.
We'd better take this trail.
This is the spot where we first saw the bar of gold. We start out that way and take it in circles.
it's a little kid.
Be careful of the pit. The braves have baited a tiger trap.
Poor little thing.
The warriors are afraid to meet the tiger on his own ground. That's why they dig traps for him. Get back, quick! It's all right now.